Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. In this week's short tutorial, I want to share with you how you can schedule monthly Google Analytics report to send to your email. Okay, so the first step is that you need to install Google Analytics coding in your website. I will share one of my video tutorial to help you to do that if you are not sure how to do it. So once you have installed Google Analytics in your website, you can go to your Google Analytics account, select the website that you want to receive the monthly traffic report and go to reports. So I'm using the latest Google Analytics for GA4. So once you click on the reports, click on overview under acquisition, and you will see the traffic overview on this page. So what you can do is that over here you can click on this share this report, and there's an option here that says schedule email. So once you click on schedule email, you can enter the email report name, description, and you can enter your email over here, and you can choose a date. So normally for me, I will choose the beginning of the month. So 1st of June, for example, and the frequency is every month. So if you do not like to set it to every month, you can set it to weekly or you can set it to quarterly. There's also a daily option available as well. And you can set it for active for 12 months. So currently there is no selection that is active forever. So I think that Google Analytics want you to come into your account once every year to make sure that this is active. So the report format, you can select PDF and English. I will leave this as default. And after that, you can just click save. And once you click save, you will start to receive the traffic report every month on the 1st of every month. So this is how you can receive the report for free without paying for this feature, because some of the WordPress Analytics plugin may require you to pay in order to receive an email report. So I hope that this tip is useful for you. If you have any questions regarding Google Analytics or the setting up, feel free to post in the comments area below. I thank you and see you in the next video.